Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Rajat Gale and I study in International Institute of Professional Studies, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya. Today I am going to talk about Cloud Business Process Management and what is Cloud Business Process Management and how does it work. First of all, what is cloud? The cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and databases that run on those servers. Cloud servers are located in data centers all over the world. That means there are various locations in the world where cloud servers are located which you can access through over the internet. By using cloud computing, users and companies and organizations don't have to manage physical servers themselves or run software applications on their own machines, that is, the local host machines at their office. The cloud enables users to access the same files and applications from almost any device because the computing and storage takes place on servers in a data center instead of locally on the user device. This is why a user can log on to their Instagram account, or Facebook account, or any other social media account on a new phone after their old phone is broken or lost and still find their old account in place with all their photos, videos, conversations and chat history, etc. It works the same way with cloud email providers like Gmail or Microsoft Office 365 and with cloud storage providers like Dropbox or Google Drive. Below is the diagram where you can see how the cloud works, where you have the user device and on the cloud you have the applications and databases which you can access from the user device via internet. Now coming to how does the cloud work. Well, cloud computing is possible because of a technology called virtualization. Virtualization allows for the creation of a simulated digital only virtual computer that behaves as if it were a physical computer with its own hardware. Technical term for such a computer is virtual machine. By running many virtual machines at once, one server becomes many servers and a data center becomes a whole host of data centers able to serve many organizations at the same time. Thus, cloud providers can offer the use of their servers to far more customers at once than they would be able to otherwise. That means offline, and they can do so at a low cost as well. Even if individual servers go down, cloud servers in general should be always online and always available. Cloud vendors generally back up their services on multiple machines and across multiple regions, so no failure occurs. Now coming to today's topic, that is cloud business process management. Business process management, in short we can call it BPM, is the discipline in which people use various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, optimize and automate business processes. Any combination of these methods used to manage a company's business processes is BPM. Processes can be structured and repeatable or unstructured and variable, though not required. Enabling technologies are often used with BPM, that is business process management. While business process management applications aren't new, technological advancement now presents you with the opportunity to move to cloud business process management software. As you all know, everything is going online these days, so therefore business process management applications also need to go online for better working and for better functionality. Cloud computing business process management is the use of BPM tools that are delivered as software services, or you can call it SaaS, that is software as a service over a network. Cloud BPM business logic is deployed on an application server and the business data resides in cloud storage. Now here you can see in the diagram how business process management as a service works, where various things such as enterprise value chain, knowledge of the workers and various departments are related to the cloud, where you can access various kinds of information over the internet. Cloud BPM is a platform as a service solution that lets you create workflows and optimize them without having to install a single MB of software on your host machine or your office hardware. You can use these cloud-based software solutions to streamline and optimize everyday business activities, which makes the task easier. Now, coming to the types of cloud. In cloud computing, there are various types of clouds. It is critical to know when each type of cloud should be used, or when it should be used, and where it should be used. The three cloud types are as follows. Number one is public cloud, which is owned and operated by third-party service providers for use by the general public. Number second is private cloud. This contains cloud computing resources for the exclusive use of a single enterprise. Hybrid cloud. The last one is hybrid cloud. This combines elements of both the public and private clouds. Now I'm going to refer the business process management as BPM from here onwards. So when BPM is placed in the cloud, activities that are non-computation or intensive might result in high resource use and lead to high cost. As a solution, data can be securely stored more cheaply on premise, and only computation intensive activities can be placed in the cloud. The next slide is about the cloud providers. There are various cloud providers available in the market, and we are going to talk about them. The three most important players and their product in the cloud market are Amazon, which provides Amazon Web Services. Number second is Microsoft, which provides Azure, and number third is Google, which provides Google App Engine. Choosing a cloud provider on a platform depends on the needs of an organization. If an organization needs full control over server settings and IaaS, that means infrastructure as service solution, is necessary. When a cloud user wants to deploy software on top of a specific platform, then a PaaS, which means platform as a service option, would be chosen. If the company wants to just run a specific software application in the cloud, then a SaaS, that means a software as a service solution, would be chosen. Other factors play into the decision as well, such as programming language and database needs. Now, why you should use a cloud BPM software? Well, here are the 7 reasons why you need a cloud BPM software in the current scenario. Number 1 is minimized errors. Cloud BPM solutions help you keep error rates minimal. You can say goodbye to mountains of paperwork and manual data entry, which is riddled with errors. Multiple records are also eliminated, since changes are synced and visible to every team with access. That means the load on the workforce is reduced very much, and they can do other tasks with more efficiency. Anywhere and anytime access. Traditional systems store data on a local drive. This can be rather limited in terms of access. Cloud BPM, on the other hand, stores information in a centralized database, thereby making access possible anytime from any location, anywhere in the world. Further, stakeholders can access the applications from any device. Data security. Third is data security. Data security is an often expressed concern from organizations when presented with the opportunity to move to cloud BPM. Limiting access to confidential information is high on the list of requirements. Well, everybody wants security of their information, so that's an obvious. Cloud BPM applications come with a wide range of security features such as role-based access, conditional visibility, data encryptions, and many more such things. Number 4 is reliable and consistent experience. Traditional systems don't enjoy great reputation in terms of experience they provide. At best, they are cumbersome and time consuming. Users are constantly threatened by the possibility of server downtime and virus or malware attacks, which may harm the information the organizations store in their database. With cloud BPM, vendors provide ample backup to ensure that there's minimal downtime if at all, They also protect data using built-in firewalls. Number 5, which is minimal setup and maintenance. When you use a premise software, you are saddled with endless details like installation, configuration, storing data, ensuring adequate space to run the software, buying additional hardware, and arranging for backups. As for updates, installing them on each system and scheduling becomes your responsibility. That means the responsibility of the person who is in charge of the database and the local host system. Whatever the software needs to function, it becomes your bundle to bear. Needless to say, your IT department's time and energy are heavily taxed. But with Cloud BPM, the vendor assumes responsibility for all day-to-day operations of the application. This includes aspects such as performance, memory, storage, hosting, backups, and downtime. In case of new releases or bug fixes, they are immediately implemented for all users anywhere in the world. This means that your IT department can focus on other pressing matters. Meanwhile, any issues you encounter are easily addressed by round the clock support system from your cloud business process management vendor. Number 6 is better collaboration. Collaboration is incredibly easy with Cloud BPM, irrespective of whether your teams are on the same office floor or different continents. Centralized documentation, digital checklists, and automated process flow make it possible for information to be accessed by stakeholders whenever the need arises. Now, coming to the last point, that is the seventh one, which is improved insights. Cloud and BPM applications feature reporting capabilities that provide comprehensive insights. Given that all data is stored in a central database, it becomes simpler to monitor and analyze patterns. Information gathered from these reports can help refine strategies and make critical decisions for the organizations. Traditional BPM systems can no longer help organizations stay abreast with rapid developments in industry. Your organization needs a solution that is simple, easy to use, and optimized for your processes. Well, that's it from my side. Hope you understood the topic, and if you want to leave any comment, you can comment down below about how can I improve. And thank you. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, you can press the bell icon to never miss any video that I upload, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.